Today we are installing a mod that I didn't know I needed until I got it, and now I don't think I can live without it. Before we begin, we've got a new garage to make content for the winter, and what we have for you guys today is something that's not only going to enhance the look of this car and make it look so much more aggressive, but it's also kind of going to enhance the sound. So let me just show it to you guys because I think it's going to look great. My name is Ryan, Gears and Gains on YouTube, S58NY on TikTok and Instagram. Follow me on all my socials down below. Today we're installing some 4.5-inch exhaust tips on my G80 M3 that I think is going to totally complete the look of this car. The M3 already looks so aggressive with the grills I put in the front mount intakes, laser lights are gorgeous, this orange paint. The biggest gripe that anybody has about this car is the sound. There is a way to make this car sound good, but it's also very easy to make this car sound bad. If you've watched my videos before, I've already explained it to you guys. This car has a twin turbo setup. So when you have a twin turbo car, you have two downpipes, two exhausts basically, whose sound can clash with one another and make this car sound raspy, sound bad, and overall just sound like shit. But I decided to go with a single resonated mid-pipe for this car. But when you do that, you keep the stock axle back, which is okay, but there's two problems with that. One, it looks really big. You guys have heard me voice my opinions before that this thing kind of looks like a little cow udder in the back, but that's not what we're doing today. What we're doing today is fixing the second problem, which is the fact that these exhaust tips are insanely small, only about 3 inches wide, which is good enough. I mean, my car is an anniversary edition, which means these are carbon fiber, so that's pretty cool. It just gives the car a little bit of a stock look instead of a really aggressive look that we're going for. So to fix this, the company where I bought my downpipes and mid-pipe from actually sent me out some exhaust tips that happen to match the wheels that I haven't even gotten yet. As a matter of fact, I haven't even ordered them yet. I don't even know what design I'm going with. All I know is these tips are going to make the car look way less stock, look so much more aggressive, and maybe even sound a little better. So let me show you what they look like, and let's install some 4.5-inch exhaust tips on my M3. All right, so I did unbox these already. They were a little bit harder to install than I thought, so I tried doing it yesterday. But just like anything when making content, it takes a lot longer to install because I need to make a video. I did ceramic coat them last night because I wanted them to stay looking like this. These polished exhaust tips already look way better. I'm a big fan of carbon fiber, and I think these stock and performance ones on my anniversary edition M3 look really good, but I know over time this carbon fiber is just going to deteriorate because it's at the bottom of the car and it's just going to get so dirty. I believe these are 3.5 inches, but look at the 4.5-inch one. You can obviously tell this one looks so much more aggressive. On mine, all you have to do is unbolt those two top bolts in the back, but on a regular M3, you just have to pull off the shroud that kind of sits over the exhaust tip. All I know is these are going to look way more aggressive than the regular stock exhaust tips. All right, so to do this on my car, all you need is a T30, and you're going to want to unbolt those two bolts right in the top. Both of them come right off. So this car has an actual like exhaust tip that is connected to the axle back itself. This space between the metal exhaust tip and the carbon fiber, it slides right onto there, kind of just like that, and you can like push it back on if you want. These are in pretty much perfect condition. Maybe I'll sell them, maybe I'll keep them, but maybe I'll hold on to these just to keep all the stock parts how it came from the factory. It does help if you have WD-40 to spray around so it kind of slips on easier. I guess this is you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about, or maybe a girlfriend before a Miami trip versus after a Miami trip. And the new ones just use 13 mils on the side, so let's slide them on. Okay, they just slide right on. You're gonna want to hit it a couple times to make sure that it's on there right. If you want to stagger them, there is this like lip on the bottom that you can push it against to line both of them up to kind of stagger them. You see this one is out a little bit more than this one. It might look a lot bigger on camera than it actually looks in person, but I think these look really good. And in the back down here, there's just a 13 mil bolt right down there. You want to take an impact and tighten it as much as you can because you do not want these things coming up. I think the way I put mine on is pretty good. I kind of left them out a little bit so you can see the IRL logo from the top. Like I said, you can line up this lip right here with the actual exhaust tip. Doing that will make it staggered. The inside too will poke out a little bit more than the outside too. So this is the finished product, and I do have to say at first I was a little bit iffy about them. I thought they were just too big, but they've really grown on me and they look so amazing. I've gotten tons of compliments on TikTok, and a lot of you guys even wanted me to send you guys the link, so I'll leave it in the description below for you guys if you want it. They come in polished silver, gloss black, and I believe one other color. At first they were a little bit too clean and the car was still pretty dirty. I haven't washed this thing in almost a month because I've been traveling and doing road trips, but now that they're a little bit dirty and they have a little bit more experience on them, I think they look perfect. Some of you guys were also saying that I should line them up. It has like a little lip here, and the OEM exhaust tips do come a little bit staggered. You see they're kind of even right here, but the lip on this is a lot smaller than the lip on this side. As of right now, I think they look pretty good even on all sides. And these are going to go great with the new wheels that we have coming. I did finally decide on a set of wheels, and we are going to be testing them out from Alibaba. So many of you guys wanted me to review Alibaba wheels, so that's what we're going to be doing. You'll just have to subscribe to see which wheels I went with. So I kind of didn't go polished, but I kind of did. Maybe a little bit of a middle ground because I saw these one wheels at a car meet and they looked perfect. And I think they're really going to go great with the look of this car. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at S58NY. With all that being said, these exhaust tips look super good. I can't wait to see what we do to this car next. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.